Are you looking for the best outdoor cat houses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor cat houses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GDLF Feral Cat Enclosure. The GDLF Feral Cat Enclosure is sturdy and well made, with foam insulation inside of the wood on all sides including the top and bottom. It's designed for cooler climates, and you can even pay more to add a heating pad to your order. The heating pad fits into the largest part of the enclosure, so cats can move off of it without fully leaving the shelter if they're feeling too warm. It has one entryway, covered with a plastic doorway to block out cold, wind, and weather. Although this leaves cats susceptible to being cornered by other cats or predators, it also works as an added barrier to the cold and rain. Trying to assemble this one by hand was a pain as it did not come with pre-drilled holes. I would recommend using an electric screwdriver or drill to make assembly easier and faster. What we liked: insulation on all sides, including the bottom and roof. Elevated off the ground for better protection. Waterproof. What we didn't like: only one entry. Difficult assembly. Number 2. The Kitty Tube. $179.99 at Amazon. The Kitty Tube is a different sort of cat house with its round shape and plastic material. It also comes with various customization options, such as double insulation and various bedding options. These include a pillow, heating pad, and straw. The house comes with foam insulation on all sides. It has 2 air holes covered by awnings to help prevent rain from getting inside. It also comes with a removable plastic door. It's made to fit 2 cats or a mama cat and her babies. Unfortunately, it does only have one entry. Like the GDLF, this keeps cats warmer but might come with risks if they get cornered inside. What we liked: well insulated and weather protected. Comes with various types of bedding to suit every situation. Fits 2 cats. What we didn't like: only one entrance. Some reviewers have found that the bottom lets in water. Number 3. Aivituvin 2-tier cat house. The Aivituvin 2-tier cat house has 2 floors that can fit 1 to 2 cats each. Although it isn't super large, it does give cats a bit of space to get away from one another if they remain on separate floors. An entrance on each floor also makes them less likely to get cornered inside. The floors of the house slide out, making it easy to hose down if it gets dirty. One side is also fitted with doors that can be opened for easy cleaning, to provide more airflow in the summer, or to provide cats with additional exits. Like the GDLF, this one didn't come with pre-drilled holes and is much easier to assemble with a power tool than by hand. It also came with some damage to the wood in 2 places, and the wood used didn't feel especially thick or sturdy. What we liked: 2 levels to give cats their own space. Easy to clean. Several entries so cats won't get cornered inside. What we didn't like: difficult assembly. It came with some damaged wood. Number 4. Age Pet Products Outdoor Heated Kitty House. The Age Heated Kitty House is super easy to assemble, as it's joined by Velcro. This does make the product less sturdy than the others on our list, and it's best suited for use inside another shelter, such as a garage or shed. It won't protect cats from the rain or snow. The house is small and can fit a maximum of 2 cats, or 1 large cat. However, its size helps it to retain heat. It also comes with removable plastic doorways that help to block wind and cold from getting inside. K&H is well known for their pet heating pads that are certified for safety. I have other products from them that I love for my indoor cats, and this outdoor house worked just as well. Overall, it's a great product so long as it's used correctly. What we liked: small house retains heat well. Certified safe pet heating pad. 2 entries to prevent cats from getting cornered inside. What we didn't like: not made for unsheltered outdoor use. No predator protection. Number 5. New Age Pet ECOFLEX. The new Age Pet ECOFLEX is a relatively small cat house that can fit 2 to 3 cats inside as long as they get along well enough to cuddle together. It comes with 2 entries that can be covered by removable plastic doors. Although this product is not made to keep out the cold, I think it would work well in the summer or in warm climates. It was super easy to assemble and didn't require any additional tools. I also like that the house sits a couple of inches off the ground, which keeps it out of rain puddles and provides a bit of added protection for the cats inside. What we liked: elevated for better protection from predators and weather. 2 entries so cats don't get cornered inside. Easy assembly. What we didn't like: not well suited to cold weather.